Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video, and this is going to be a vlog after a very long time, and this is going to be an adventurous vlog which is being shot right now on the GoPro Hero 5. And as you guys know, I do not have a GoPro Hero 5. I have the GH4, Panasonic GH4, which I use to record my mainstream videos like reviews and all that stuff. But for this vlog I am using GoPro Hero 5. So did I buy it? Obviously not, because if you want to record 2 videos in 6 months, then you should not invest 30 or 40, 50,000 rupees in a camera. You can instead rent it from easyleasy.com. Link of their website is present in the description box below, and I rented this particular camera from their website. And they do not only provide you one camera, but they provide you multiple mounts, the waterproof case. The mount which I'm using right now is the cycle mount, or which can be mounted on any bike too. That mount is present on the cycle right now. As you can see, we are going to ride the cycle. We have, introduce yourself. Okay.
Hi, I'm Saurabh from Shuddha Hindi Vlogs.
And we have Rishikesh Gorat behind the camera, who is handling the mic for me. And easyleasy.com not only has GoPro Hero 5, but they have a lot of GoPro cameras such as GoPro Hero 4, Canon 5D Mark IV. If you want to shoot vlogs like this one, which is going to be really interesting, then you can rent GoPro Hero 5. And I have shown all the mounts which are provided by easyleasy.com in my review video, which will be linked over here. So just click on that video and watch that. And I do not know how big is this GoPro Hero 5, because it's very wide, so it can be over here. Let's get started with the vlog. जैसे देखा, वी पुश द कार, इतना चिल्ला के पुश किया, बट कोई भाई अंकल ने क्या बताया, गाड़ी रोड से जा रही थी, थोड़ा धक्का मार के हम लोग रुक गए, रोड से उतार दी नीचे, और अभी रोड के और इसके बीच में इतना गैप है, चढ़ेगी कैसे भाई उतारा क्यों गाड़ी, मतलब So we are in a canteen right now, which is not a big canteen as such. It's just a normal canteen, not a canteen. It's just.
But rates are too high.
Yeah, 40
is so expensive.
Yeah, 40 rupees for a misal pav, then 80 rupees for pav bhaji. 80 rupees for pav bhaji is okay, but the quality is not going to be that great. Maybe, but we have not eaten yet. So let's order something and let's eat. और अब हम लोग हैं कैनरी के उसके टॉप पे, और ये देखो ये बंदा क्या कर रहा है, इतनी हवा है कि रुमाल सुखा रहा है जो पहले गीला किया था। मतलब अभी क्या बोले, आप देख सकते हो, ये एग्जांपल है कि कितनी ज़्यादा हवा है यहाँ पे। तो अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया, हम लोग आधा 1 घंटा ऊपर ही रह रहे हैं, बहुत बातचीत किया। और अगर आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ अभी तो बातचीत करना है, बात करना फ्रेंड्स के साथ। एडवेंचर तो बहुत है, वैसे ये इतना बड़ा ये मतलब ट्रैक नहीं है, आप आधे 1 घंटे में आराम से चढ़ सकते हो, मतलब कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं, पैर वैर कुछ नहीं दुखेगा। हम लोग तो साइकिल चला के आए, ऊपर चढ़े, फिर भी कुछ नहीं दुख रहा। और अभी नीचे जाएंगे, और अभी कितने बज गए, अभी 2:46 हो गए। तो 2:46 में बहुत ज़्यादा धूप नहीं, लेकिन नीचे ज़्यादा कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा। तो चलो अभी नीचे जाते हैं और नीचे जाते वक्त I'll use the head mount on while riding the cycle, so it is going to be interesting. Let's see. Monkeys over here, as you can see. Hi monkeys.
जस्ट कॉल आया साइकिल वालों का कि जल्दी आओ, मामा को भूख लगी, ऐसा कुछ बोल रही थी वो, मुझे पता नहीं कौन मामा। चलो फिर लेट्स गो यार।
3, 2, 1 go. I won. As you guys saw, it was still end of the bridge and I crossed it first. And as you can see in the replay,
no,
I crossed it first.
I was the first one
No.
to cross the bridge.
We have the video proof that I won. So great. And the roads are good, I would say.
They are bad from here to.
Yeah. So there are some bad patches like this one, but otherwise the roads are good as compared to other roads. The vlog is not over yet, but I wanted to mention about the easyleasy.com, from where I rented the GoPro 5 with which I shot this awesome video which you saw right now. And some of the footages which you saw in the vlog were shot by the head mount and by the chest mount which I wore for that particular shots, and they looked awesome. And that's the best thing about the easyleasy.com website. They not just give you the camera but also give you the accessories which are very important, or with which you can be extremely creative and shoot something really awesome. I did not shoot something really awesome, but if you are creative, if you are into photography, or if you want to shoot an awesome video, then you can surely rent the camera for 1 day or for 1 week and then go ahead with your shoot and shoot some creative and awesome videos. They not only have the GoPros, but they also have very cost efficient 1300D to Canon 5D Mark IV, which is very costly. If you try to go in the market and buy that particular camera, which is Canon 5D Mark IV, then it will cost you in lakhs, which I can't personally afford. So if I want to shoot any video with Canon 5D Mark IV, then I would rent it from easyleasy.com, as I said earlier. The link for their website is present in the description box below. They have some pretty fun stuff on their website too. As you can see on the screen right now, there are lots of things which you can buy from their website. So let's shift to the vlog now. So we just now ate in Hotel Ramdev and we are standing over here because we came out of National Park. It was an awesome trip. For the bicycles, it costed us around 840 rupees because we rode the bicycles for 7 hours, and according to the guys over there, it was a record because no one else had ever paid 840 rupees. They said that not like that, but 840 is very rare for them. That's because we went up the hill and stayed over there for a very long time. We shot some videos and we clicked a lot of pictures and we talked a lot on the hill, so that's why it took us so much of time. But you can complete this total journey in total of 4 hours, which will cost you 160 rupees per person, which is 80 rupees for 2 hours. So do not worry about that. And this complete vlog was edited by him, so don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Just click over here and get subscribed because he creates similar kind of videos which are awesome in my opinion. So just click over here and get subscribed. And this guy over here has a channel named as Shuddha Hindi Vlogs, and the channel name has it all. all vlogs are in Shuddha Hindi, even though his Hindi is not that Shuddha, but he is saying that, he's trying to improve it. And click over here to get subscribed to his channel, and don't forget to subscribe to both their channels because they have amazing content, and these are vloggers and not tech creators. And after a very long time I'm collaborating with a
nice
vlogger.
to collaborate with Dhananjay Bhosle, and a very nice personality.
So the vlog ends over here, and if you get 50 or 60,000 views on this video, or maybe 1,500 likes, then maybe I'll do another vlog. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, because then I'll come to know whether you guys are enjoying the vlogs or not. So don't forget to do that. So guys, I'll stop the vlog over here. So yeah.